Hey guys, this is Sean. I wanted to show you something that I haven't shown anybody else before. I've got a shop that is making decent money, and I just wanted to show you some of the proof of it. Every one of these emails, seller notification, seller notification, seller notification, and they just go on. I started this store less than a month ago, and I'm already getting sell after sell after sell, and it keeps going. Sell after sell, and you can do that too, and I can show you how. Just contact me, drop a comment down below, and let me know that you're interested in getting started with your own shop. You can start for free, but I will tell you that I recommend getting their smallest plan. This isn't Shopify. Shopify absolutely sucks. This is different, and I really like it because they do all the advertising for me. I mean, it is great. Let me show you what the store looks like, or my shop. Let's see, bring it up. Well, I can't change the parameters of the video that I started, so, but it's a wonderful shop, and the design of it's really good, and the products they sell, and I also get them listed on Amazon as well at no extra cost. So contact me, and I will give you the hookup on this, and let's make money. All right, we'll see you later.